So now Antoine Richardson is a switch hitter, and he just motioned to Venditti, what side you going to throw on? And now he's got to go back. Yeah, he's got to go back and get the other helmet, because Venditti waved his left hand, said, I'm going to pitch this side, and Antoine Richardson misunderstood him. He went to the plate as a left-handed hitter, looked up, and Venditti had the glove on the right hand, so now he had to go back and get his other helmet.
And now he's switching. Can they do that? I thought they couldn't do that. Oh, he was just teasing him.
No. Yeah, he's just teasing. No, he can't do that. Once he makes up his mind which hand he's going to switch, then the batter can choose how he's going to bat. That rule has been clarified after that situation back in his professional debut in 2008.
And I think this is the right one. You send that batter a little bit further away from first base. You keep him from pulling the ball into the right field hole there. So if you can throw like this, you make him bat right-handed.
Short, 相川君。